In India, every state has got its own rent control laws dealing with eviction of tenants by landlords. In most of such laws, the common ground available to a landlord is bona fide requirement of the property for the landlord's use of such property. The landlord has to explain for what purposes he is going to utilize the property after evicting the tenant. Much earlier, the approach of the court was that if the landlord fails to establish his need, the eviction petitions would not be allowed. The tenants used to question the landlords about the nature of the requirement, contesting that the landlords do not need the property. Now the approach of the court is that tenant has no right to question the need of the landlord as to in which manner he is going to use the property. Recently, the Delhi High Court was dealing with a landlord-tenant dispute. The landlord wanted his property to be used by his wife for business involving consultancy. The tenant questioned the same, saying that she was the landlord's second wife and the status of divorce with the first wife was still doubtful. The court said that it is not the tenant's business to look into the marital status of the landlord. The Delhi High Court, with its bench of Justice Jasmeet Singh, observed that the setting up of a business in the landlord's property is a bona fide requirement. Moreover, the court observed that courts should refrain from prescribing any standard or guidelines for the residential choices of the landlord. Accordingly, the court allowed the plea and granted relief to the landlord. To know more about your rights, stay tuned to LiveLaw. Please don't forget to like and share the video.